Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set a custom ringtone on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to do this, first we need to go to the settings, and then in the settings we want to scroll down and find an option that is called sounds and vibration, and then of course go there. Over here we need to scroll down in order to find the ringtone section, and then of course we want to tap on it. And here, if you want to use a custom ringtone that you have downloaded from the internet, or that you have transferred to your device, then you want to select on this device. Of course, if you have another SIM card, then you can switch to SIM 1 or SIM 2 over here. And so let's tap on this device. You will open the list of all audio files that you have saved on your device that you can use for a ringtone. So I have mine prepared over here. I can simply select it, then I can simply go back, and that's pretty much it. Now if I go back, my ringtone is now set. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!